Have you ever stopped learning, believing you knew enough? Many people reach a point where they trust their own knowledge exclusively. But the moment you stop listening is the moment you begin to stray. Growth requires perpetual openness to wisdom. Hear now the wisdom from Proverbs chapter 19, verse 27. Cease listening to instruction, my son, and you will stray from the words of knowledge. I am King Solomon, king of Israel, and I have seen the consequences of ignoring wise counsel. I have witnessed lives crumble not from lack of talent, but from the absence of listening. This verse speaks directly to a universal struggle, the tendency to trust our own understanding above all else. Let that sink in for a moment. Most people think that once they have knowledge, they can stop seeking more. They believe they have reached a point where listening is no longer necessary. But I tell you, this is a grave error. When you cease to listen, you cease to grow. You stray from the path of wisdom. Imagine a young man who believes he knows all there is to know about his career. He climbs the ladder quickly, relying solely on his own insights. But as the years pass, he encounters challenges he cannot overcome. He has not listened to those who have walked the path before him. He becomes isolated, his growth stunted. This is not about intelligence, it is about humility. Now, picture a relationship where communication has faltered. One partner assumes they understand the other without needing to listen. Resentment builds, misunderstandings multiply, and the bond weakens, all because one ceased to listen. Words left unspoken and words spoken without understanding have the power to destroy. Have you ever wondered why some people thrive in every interaction while others struggle to connect? The answer lies in their ability to listen. They seek wisdom not just from books, but from conversations, experiences, and observations. They understand that wisdom is not a destination, but a continuous journey. So what does this mean for you today? Let me give you something you can use right now. First, when you find yourself in a conversation, practice the art of listening. Pause before you speak. Consider the words you are about to say. Are they building bridges or are they burning them? Second, seek out those who can offer wisdom. Do not assume that you know all there is to know. Surround yourself with voices that challenge and inspire you. Third, reflect on your words at the end of each day. Ask yourself, did I use my words to uplift, to understand, to connect? Or did I allow my words to create distance? And finally, take action. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today, commit to listening as an active practice in your life, because wisdom without action is just philosophy. I want to leave you with one final thought. The words you choose to speak shape not only your life, but the lives of those around you. You have the power to create harmony or discord, understanding or confusion. Choose wisely. I encourage you to take the free Solomon Standards Assessment. You will find the link in the description below at kingsolomonscrolls.cappublishing.com/links. It will show you where you stand in wisdom and where you can grow. Remember, your future is being built by the words you speak today. Speak with wisdom, and your life will be enriched in ways you cannot yet imagine.